Okay, we are recording this. It's 3:15 Monday, May the 13th, I think it is. Uh, a very quick, short thing to show you what most Discord hosts would appreciate when you join their Discord server, particularly non-gaming Discords. I'm going to do a screen share here and show you three things that you should do. It'll help you, it'll help your host very quick. So we're going to screen share here. We're going to screen share the screen. We'll say share this. Okay. Now we're going to go over here to the Discord. All right, this is the Discord. When you get on, you'll see some sort of welcome screen here. Okay. The very first thing you should do is make sure people know who you are and have a picture of yourself and a short introduction so that they can know you a little bit. So what you do in the Discord, particularly non-gaming Discord, you go right down here, you click this user setting. This shows you what your profile is without any changes that you've made, whatever name you've originally joined under or whatever. But you click this edit button, you can change it. It's suggested that you change to a first name and a last name. People like knowing who you really are. Unless you're in the gaming community, there they go with all sorts of odd handles or cutesy phrases or whatever. But I mean, let's get real. Most people don't want to be known as large derriere or whatever it is. So you go 1, 2, 3. Andrew Hatchett, your email address, and the password if you want to change those. Those were set up when you first joined the Discord, of course. Then you can go over here and you can change your picture. You can choose to put whatever picture you want in. Like I could change and put this picture in there. Move this out of the way a little bit. Say open. It's got my picture there. You notice it changed. Then you go down here and you say save. That's got 2 out of 3 things done. You've given yourself a real name. You've got a real picture. You can close this by clicking this X right here. And then you look over here in the channels. See if they've got anything that mentions an introduction. Right here it says General Chat Introduction. So you would click that. That would take you to that channel. And then you could type in is not. And so here, put that in. Bang, it's there. Your host is going to be pleased. The rest of the Discord and working with it and everything, there are videos to show you that and everything. This was just a real quick tip to show you the easy way to become known on any Discord server that you know. The other people will appreciate having a face rather than just something like, that. So I'm going to stop sharing. Stop the share. We are now back here. And now I'm going to stop the recording. Thanks for watching.